Here I'm going to share with you the four most promising side hustles in my opinion, particularly targeted towards young individuals looking to augment their income. My suggestion primarily revolves around avoiding ventures that require substantial capital investment, especially for those who are still in their informative years, such as students. My advice is rooted in the idea that to generate supplementary income, one need not embark on an enterprise that demands a large financial commitment. I am cognizant that many of you may know me from my involvement in various ventures, including selling products like hair oil, among other things. However, if I were to reserve time's course, I wouldn't necessarily delve into the same arenas again. The rationale behind this choice is the inherent complexity and intricacies associated with managing physical inventory, can be rather convoluted. Therefore, I would like to present you two actions I would undertake if I could go back in time. These four endeavors encompass the strategy I would pursue to generate income. Also, I would recommend attempting all four simultaneously. Instead, it might be more effective to focus on just one or two of these options. I firmly believe that if you are watching this video, it's because you are genuinely interested in creating additional stream income. To that end, the first avenue I would explore, given the digital age we live in, is affiliate marketing. If you're unfamiliar with this concept, it essentially involves promoting a product, whether it's physical, digital item, and subsequently earning commission on its sale. This commission can range from 20 to as much as 50%. My advice here is to select products that genuinely resonate with you. For example, if you come across a remarkable book, you can promote it on a specific marketplace and receive a commission for its sale. To effectively engage in affiliate marketing, you can create content about the product on platforms like a TikTok, Reels, YouTube Shorts, and subsequently receive commission. My preference for this approach lies with digital products, as they often prove easier to market compared to physical goods. Furthermore, if you can identify high commission digital products, you're in a prime position to capitalize on these opportunities. As I see it, the world of affiliate marketing in Indonesia is relatively untapped, making it an ideal landscape for those who are skilled at content creation or advertising to thrive. The second side hustle, which can be effectively combined with affiliate marketing, involves establishing what is known as a faceless channel. A faceless channel refers to content creation where you do not appear on camera like this. Not everyone is comfortable in front of the lens, and this side hustle caters to that demographic. The premise is straightforward as it requires you to be adept at editing rather than being the face of the content. Those who are disciplined to engage in video editing, outsourcing this task to a third party can be a feasible alternative. Professional channels offer enormous potential, particularly on platforms such as YouTube and short form content platforms. The third side hustle I'd recommend is operation of a service agency. This entails providing services to business owners, such as running a marketing agency, a web development agency, a public relations agency, or even a Facebook ads agency. The idea is to offer specialized services to businesses that require them. This can encompass a variety of activities, including writing, press release, managing social media accounts, creating websites, or running advertising campaigns. This side hustle is particularly appealing for those who possess expertise in a particular area. Creating service agencies can be highly profitable, but it is best suited for individuals who have some prior experience in their chosen field. Finally, the fourth side hustle, which I would recommend for beginners, is the move into the world of cryptocurrency trading. This avenue has the potential to offer unlimited income, but it comes a steep learning curve. You may encounter failure for an extended period before achieving success. However, if you can persevere through the challenging learning phase, the reward can be substantial. The income potential is limitless, and this is an area where you can invest a significant amount of time and your effort. These are the four side hustle that I would personally pursue if I had the chance to go back in time. If I were forced to choose just one, I might credit it towards cryptocurrency trading due to its boundless potential. If you interest in learning more about cryptocurrency trading, I invite you to join our community for free. Many individuals within our community have successfully applied the principle with kids. By joining, you can access a wealth of resources and engage with like-minded individuals who share your vision and goals. I look forward to seeing you in our community. Para sa important.